Appear weak when you are strong, and strong when you are weak. If you know the enemy and know yourself, you need not fear the result of 100 battles. Let your plans be dark and impenetrable as night, and when you move, fall like a thunderbolt. In the midst of chaos, there is also opportunity. To win 100 victories in 100 battles is not the acme of skill. To subdue the enemy without fighting is the acme of skill. Engage people with what they expect. It is what they are able to discern and confirms their projections. If ignorant both of your enemy and yourself, you are certain to be in peril. Supreme excellence consists of breaking the enemy's resistance without fighting. He who knows when he can fight and when he cannot will be victorious. If you are far from the enemy, make him believe you are near. All warfare is based on deception. If you know the enemy and know yourself, your victory will not stand in doubt. Treat your men as you would your own beloved sons, and they will follow you into the deepest valley. When one treats people with benevolence, justice, and righteousness, and reposes confidence in them, the army will be united in mind, and all will be happy to serve their leaders. The art of war is governed by 5 constant factors: the moral law, heaven, earth, the commander, and method and discipline. Move swift as the wind and closely formed as the wood. Attack like the fire and be still as the mountain. Pretend inferiority and encourages arrogance. He who is prudent and lies in wait for an enemy who is not will be victorious. The supreme art of war is to subdue the enemy without fighting. Strategy without tactics is the slowest route to victory. Tactics without strategy is the noise before defeat. Engage people with what they expect. It is what they are able to discern and confirms their projections. It settles them into predictable patterns of response, occupying their minds while you wait for the extraordinary moment, that which they cannot anticipate. The wise warrior avoids the battle, but never underestimates the enemy.